Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And if you know this artist, raise your hand. Of course. I know it's October. What does October mean? It is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It is about being strong, being courageous, and being there for one another. And Peggy Collins has done just that with Mountains of Strength. This is absolutely gorgeous, Peggy. Oh my gosh, your mind continues to blow me away with the breadth of creativity that you have. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to open this up. It is a 28 by 22 inch, which translates into 70.7 by 55.8 centimeters. As you can tell with the blue box, that means it is square. And I want to thank you for joining me as we open this full coverage painting with 88 colors. That's right. The side of the box is going to tell you how many colors. That's 4 ABs, Aurora Borealis, and 2 fairy dust diamonds. Now, what I love about Diamond Art Club's boxes, they have added to the end of the box for those old schoolers the picture and what's in it. So if you store it up on its end or on the side, you have what is in the box. You no longer have to write with the Sharpie or with the sticky. Thank you so much, Diamond Art Club. Inside the box, after you open your shipping box, after you open the shrink wrap and you open your decorated box of art, you have this very sturdy box inside. Inside you have your toolkit. In the toolkit, you're going to get your twist and pick applicator, wax, multi-placers, refill, lid, stopper, and resealable baggies. What I really like about this is these are stackable. I have many of them, and they stack up. You've got your lid, you have a stopper here. Inside, you've got your clear putty and wax. You've got your 7 placer. You're all set to go. And then you have your pens. I love these pens. Here is your clear putty already in there, ready, locked and loaded. You just twist, and it comes out the end for you, ready. If you prefer, you could take this off and put a different tip single placer on and use a different wax if you would like. Here is your 3 placer if you would like to use your 3 placer. Okay, let's see what's inside. Inside, look, there is a wonderful little envelope. What could be inside here? You're like, okay, Jennifer, stop with the shenanigans. We all know what's in here. It is the card. Ooh, beautiful card. Isn't that gorgeous? I love collecting these. These are the collector's cards. You will see on social media. You can't see my eyes roll. I'm going to try to be nice because I love every single one of you. But it does get tiring, I know, because we spend money on these to get bronze. This is a bronze, but that's okay. I like the cards. If you don't like the cards, send them to me because I love them. They're so beautiful. I'm not saying that you have to send them, but that's how much I like them. They are gorgeous, and they let me know what I have done and where I have been on my diamond painting journey. The back will tell you it's bronze or if it's black or if it's silver, so on. And then it's got a code. You can enter the code and get points from it and turn things in. Also, you get a sticker sheet. The sticker sheet is going to have all the symbols and it's going to have the DMC colors on all of the newer kits that have been produced. Your specials are going to be at the end. Some of the older kits are going to have them at the beginning if you go back and open your kits that you've purchased in the past. But this has the 2 ABs and then it has the fairy dust. I'm sorry, it has 4 ABs. I got that backwards, and 2 of the fairy dust. Then it also has the picture. This is a sticker. Sorry, So you can take this off. You can put it on what you're kitting up. You can put it on your journal entry. You have your start and end date, and you have how many colors, and you can take that off as well and put it in your journal as well. Love, love, love this. And some people don't realize these are stickers too. You can take these off as well and stick them wherever you would like. Bonus. Bonus. And I love this cute little packaging as well. Oops. I want to put this little card in here. So when I go to do this painting, I keep the card in here. So then when I do the painting, I pull it out and I have it. So I know what I've done and what I haven't done. All right, let's open this. Lady in pink, dance with me, cheek to cheek. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. All right, so you've got the patented backing. There you go. It's got the serged edging on the end. And then we're going to roll. Oh my goodness, this is what 88 colors looks like. I was going to say the key is on the top and the bottom left. I mean, the top left and the bottom right, but it's going to go all the way down. So I think it's just going to be on the left and the right. While I have it rolled up, let's get close. Close, close, close. Look at those symbols. You can see those pretty clear, even in the dark spaces. I mean, the threes are a little bit hard, but to see, that's what she said, but you're going to know there are three because you've got the dots and the different things around them. It's a pretty clear. You can see, what are these gray lines? What's happening? Is it distorted? That is on the plastic itself. It's perforated, and the perforation is in a 4x4 square. So you can take the plastic off in sections, and it keeps the glue safe and clean in the sections you're not doing. This also shows the pasting area. It shows the SKU, how big it is, who designed or who the artist is, and the name of it. All right. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is, oh my goodness. I love this one. This is so beautiful. This is something, oh, I just have to take a moment. Just take a moment. Peggy, you just outdid yourself with this one. It's just gorgeous. So gorgeous. I feel like it's just elegant and respectful, and I don't know. It's just beautiful. I love the mountains. I love the color palette. It's got a little bit of everything for everybody. Just the rendering is amazing. I love the hand charting that Diamond Art Clip does. I love how it flows from one color to the next color. It's not big and bulky. It's just, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay. On here, it does show you Mountain of Strength, and it has the SKU number so you can see what's going on. So we're going to crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. We're just ripping the Band-Aid off. Okay, so let's see what we've got going on here. While you're thinking, if you like Peggy Collins, you want to see more of her unboxings, please hit the thumbs up down below. There may even be a hype button if this is the first couple days of the video. Hit that, get this out there so we can see more of these videos. All right, so here we've got 800. Now, interesting fact, if you didn't know, the way that DAC's machines work when they fill these, not by DMC numbers. As you probably can tell, they're not in order. It's actually in how many drills, the weight of the drills. And that's why the outside drills, when you open this, the outside drills, there's a lot more. And the inside packets are the slimmer pickings of the colors. Aren't these just gorgeous? I did not know there were this many shades Well, I did, but seeing them all together of pinks and purples, and lavenders and oranges. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I hope you are enjoying this painting. I'm going to see if I can do the hard workers at the warehouse justice in getting this back together. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Look at all these pinks, people, pinks. And this is probably in the mountains. Okay, here's our first fairy dust. Fairy dust is like a mica powder, if you can see. I'm going to get really close. I love how it gives just a shimmer. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. All right, so this is 743. And that is going to be, all right, this little flower. And it looks like that is down here. So we're going to have it a little bit down here where it's reflecting some of the sunset right in here and here. And let me see if it's up here in the sun at all. Yeah, there's a little bit up here in the sun and in the sun a little bit. Okay, so we're going to keep moving on. Moving, moving, moving. Keep it up. Moving. Okay. Keep going. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. What other colors are going to surprise us? All right, here we got an AB 603. That's a significant amount of ABs. So 603, that is actually a mountain shape, like a carrot. So let's go looking. Okay, so that is up here. And it's everywhere. It's up here. It is, let's see where, looks like it's all, okay, it's all through the sky area. Up here in this area. So it's really creating a lot of these bursts that you see coming out of here. Then we've got this, which is the Z3689. This is the second of the two fairy dust. You can see the, see if you can see the mica powder shimmer. It's going to be J. That is a lot of the actual loopy-loop of the ribbon. And then some of this lighter pink that you see coming out and then out here. And then towards the sky, there's a little bit more of the lighter pink. So that little lighter, sorry to do shaky, shaky. Ooh, earthquake. All right, and then we've got the 963 AB, and that's like a sequence. AB is like a sequence coating, and that's going to be the little lollipop. All right, so that's in here, here, the outburst, and then there's a whole bunch in these outbursts here. And then, let's see, where else? Over in the mountains. Over here, there's some. Yeah, so it's sprinkled throughout everywhere. All right, and then we've got one more train. Come on, ride the train. It's a coming. 607, and here's an AB. This one is N. This is the N. This is, let me see where this is. Okay, so we've got some in our ribbon, and we've got some in this outer circle, and we've got some in this purple jet off here. And this yellow is fabulous. Here's our, I think this is our last AB, 972. It's W, and that is all this right down here. And there's just a few scattered in the yellow blitzes. Got two of the 3708s. Some really fabulous colors. All right, so the 310s, they've got 4 pockets, the 310s, and you end with those 2. All right, so this is absolutely stunning, Peggy. Thank you for sharing it with us and with Diamond Art Club. Thank you to Diamond Art Club and the wonderful hand charters. You have done a fabulous job. I cannot wait to jump in on this. And for those out there, thank you for being courageous. Thank you for never giving up. We support you. And I hope that this brings you joy, knowing that everybody is behind you, those who have been touched by cancer. So take care, be blessed, and you are loved. Until next time, bye-bye.